Hello, we are live. Let's see. We are live, guys. We have coffee. Okay, so today we want to learn Golang. I'm waiting for someone to join the live or just typing a few lines of code with you guys. We'll enjoy this one. And just want to test the share screen, right? Hello, Farkindalik. How are you? Do you hear me well? My audio, my video? I don't have a customized cup of coffee, my favorite mug, but we have coffee, so it's important. Good, good, good. I'm good too. It's glad to have you here. Come on, guys, join the live. Okay, thank you very much. I can pin the message on the screen. That's great. Okay, just to let you know, guys, I'm using Melon app. Just want to show you what it looks like. It's like StreamYard, but I have subscribed for a year. And yeah, you can have this kind of chat, and it's very cool, actually. You have some functionalities that you don't have on the classic YouTube streaming or from OBS. So okay. So today we are going to learn the basic stuff of Golang. Since I'm planning on learning this. Let's make the hello Golang. Just want to zoom a little bit. So, Mr. Farkindalik, what do you do? You code, you are front end, back end. What do you do exactly, just to share your thoughts in general? Mm-hmm. I think at some part we should use dependency. I mean, we should use the Go. I think it's 4M1. I'm coding React Native mobile app. This is interesting, man. And Node backend. Okay, so you're using a Node backend for a React Native mobile app. Okay, great. This is great, man. This is great. It's a great stack. on the market. Yeah, React Native, Ionic, maybe it's more flexible for more devices. Hybrid applications is very good. Yeah, continue like that. This is a great stuff. Yeah, actually. I'm not really mobile app developer, but really open on this kind of stack. So is good. It's good. Um, okay, so I think I can skip the prerequisite and go on the because we need installing Go. I think I have installed it. Yeah, it's for Apple Silicon as well. Because it's Go, yes, Go. We have the Big Sur Apple Silicon. It's fantastic, guys. I mean, the most powerful tools that developer need today is available for Apple Silicon. So people are waiting and wasting a lot of time checking, and they're not sure. And I did a few videos on that. I mean, for reviewing purposes, because I'm a developer, I like to test new stuff. I like to have the less crime machine, but people are still waiting. I mean, you have everything you need, and the migration is going fast for every tool. So yeah, actually I bought it I think in November. I sold my last MacBook Pro Intel version. That it was a great machine, but for reviewing purposes, I decided to switch to M1 for doing a bunch of videos and testing, because I heard it about this kind of technology that was completely revolutionary, and this is so okay. Okay, so we just open this Visual Studio Code, but okay, so this going to create a module actually. Go mod init. I never did Go before. Okay, so you watch my video and you bought it. This is an honor, man. I mean, I'm really, really flattered. Yeah, I do videos not for convincing people, just to teach them how to understand, how to make a decision, because I know that I realize that people sometimes are in front of I don't say a wall, and they have to make a decision which one, and they're searching a lot of videos. So, but yeah, it's nice that you bought it, and I think I hope that you found all of the tools you need, Farkin Dalek, the tools that a developer need for building applications for devices or web. Okay, yeah, this is great. And did you bought the 16 gigabytes RAM or the 8? And what about the storage? Just let me know. So what we have here after the command is this kind of module. Okay, so in the module, we have module and Go. This is the version actually. Let's check this exactly. I bought 6 gigabyte. Okay, this is great. This is great. I'm still using the 8 gigabytes, and the reason for that is that when I bought it, 16 gigabytes and 512 SSD was out of stock everywhere here in Europe, in Switzerland, and I I must buy the Swiss edition because I'm get used to, because in Switzerland the keyboard is totally different. Hi, Kashe Scheikne. How are you? Yeah, so in Switzerland the keyboard is completely different from France and from Italy. So I get used to use the keyboard, the Swiss keyboard layout. So I had to buy the Swiss edition, and the 16 gigabytes and 512 edition was out of stock. So I had to buy actually the basic model, but I'm happy because I don't do heavy duty stuff. For Docker, Java, Angular, this kind of stuff is it's okay for me. So all right, so let's. I want to switch this one actually here, but what is this saying here? Hello. We should create hello go. Actually, yeah. Let's do that. Not touche. Is Mac best for programming? Okay, this is a tough question, man. Okay, this is a 1 million question. This is a great debate, actually. I like it. Okay, for me, Mac is an insane machine and is a revolutionary. I had the Windows machine, but the positive, the pro, there are pro and cons. I mean, Windows machine, you can customize whatever you like for gamers. Okay, you can change components, but you always have problems with, I got rid of Windows machine, as I said in the last stream. I had a problem with, I was bothered about drivers not compatible. I had an issue with the Ethernet, didn't work. Uh, Sometimes, yeah, Mac machines are more expensive, but it's an end-to-end machine. You buy, you configure, you work. You on Windows machine, you have to do a lot of configurations and try to program with a 8 gigabytes Windows machine. Impossible, guys. Impossible. If you're using 8 gigabytes MacBook Pro, even with the Intel base architecture, is okay. That's the difference. I think if you're a iOS developer, so you have to buy, but Intel PC and Ubuntu OS is enough for web development. Yeah, of course. Okay, well, let me read it if you think you're a iOS developer. Yeah, yeah, I agree. Also, for me, if you do Docker, this kind of stuff, it was really hectic to install Docker on Windows machine. I hate it, So, and on a streaming, I heard a guy said that I heard a guy saying that I've never seen someone doing a presentation with a Windows machine. Do you guys ever seen someone doing a presentation about Angular React with a Windows machine? I've never seen that. Maybe at Microsoft, but I don't know. But when you have these kind of guys at Angular, they doing decon for React. What is this guy that found React actually at Facebook? Dan Abramov. Dan Abramov. These kind of people that that does the presentation. I've never seen someone presenting materials with a Windows machine, so it's always a MacBook. You always see the last version with the Apple with the lights. You always see that. So It's an evidence. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, I prefer. I don't know. Yeah, is I agree with you. Mackie is the best. I would buy maybe a customized PC for running Linux, Ubuntu. Um, yeah, I had a Windows machine actually just for gaming, but I got rid of this because all of the components I had to reconfigure, and I didn't have a lot of times to play games, so it was completely useless for me. So with a MacBook, you can do everything. Battery, I never seen a battery, a long life battery life on a PC like this one, especially the MacBook Air. It's insane. It can last for 2 days. Even doing Zoom calls. Zoom calls are very heavy for CPU. It's insane. So maybe I would buy a small laptop, Asus laptop for running Ubuntu. Or Dell was my favorite, but the last one I bought, I was pretty disappointed about this. Okay, guys, we are keeping talking about this, and we don't mind. So we do what we do. So in the code, so just a basic, did you guys do you guys do Go just for the love of the topic? I want to just ask you if you do Go, if you like it, if you don't. Uh, I installed the extension actually because the Go the module, you have the syntax highlighting. So um, package. Oh, it's already suggested. Great. Remembers you Python. Or writing semicolons, dot, and all of this stuff. What is FMT? Why is complaining actually? Just want to zoom a little bit actually as well, this one. Oh, because it's never used. Okay. Like Python actually. I mean, in terms of syntax. Okay, so we have all of the functions here. Print line like Java or C. What's better with this kind of zoom? Otherwise, I have the pop-up. I'm so happy I wrote my first Go program. When I learned to program in the university, because I just did the beginning of the university, then I left for being a self-taught developer. This is what we had to run actually with Java, where we were so happy to run this in a terminal. We felt like hackers. Yeah, exactly what I felt when I ran my first Java program. Okay, so how to run this? Go run. But with a dot is like we run everything. This is magic. It's opening a world upon me. How do you guys see the screen actually? Okay, I would like to learn how to create maybe a REST API with this. Yeah, I should plan to do this kind of live in the week because there are more people following. Saturday, they're all busy. And I think in India it's a few hours behind, or no, ahead, I think, or behind. Maybe is it in the afternoon, or because I have a lot of followers actually from India, so I keep asking. See the watch, maybe. Oh, is midnight actually. What the heck? Okay. Okay, so we also have a help command. Let's try the build command actually. Saturday night for me, yeah, that's what I thought. Actually, it's late, so I understand that my followers from India they don't have a chance to follow the live. So I hope you're not falling asleep, Farkin Dalek. Okay, so go build. They're from India also. Okay, very nice, very nice. So it's late, I know. As I said, I should plan my lives in the morning, actually, in my country. Okay, what did you do? Oh, actually, I created this. This is my builded file, actually. Okay. All right, so call code in an external package. Or visit package go.dev and search for a code package. What is that? Okay, so these are our packages. RSSO quote. Okay. Okay, interesting. So actually, let's import. C. Yo. Quote. Okay, so I got rid of this because I should maybe, yeah, actually I should maybe import this. I actually don't understand this. We should download this or what? Or maybe this is the other one actually. locate and click the rc.io. Maybe I don't have a nice... I don't know what to do actually. Who's that? Sartak Kandelwal. Hey man, how are you? Yeah, today we do some Go Lang basics. Try to import this actually. This is the line I didn't understand actually. What is that? Locate and click the rsc.io quote package. Okay, so we have quote, then click on it. In documentation section under index. Okay, this is our functions. The list of functions. You'll use the go function. At the top of this page, note that the package quote is included in rsc.io module. I agree with you, man, but module? Imports? You can use the package go dev seed to find published modules whose packages have functions you can use in your own code. Packages are published in modules like rsc.io quote where others can use them. Modules are improved with new versions over time, and you can upgrade your code to use the improved version. In your Go code, import the rsc.io quote package in the add and add a call to its Go function. Yeah, but the problem is that okay, so it's just complaining that is not used. Sorry guys, but okay, so what do we have in function main? We have you can use the print line, but instead of printing, you can quote. Okay, so it's seeing the package actually. That was that right? Automatically formatting. So let's see what you got now. I don't know. I did 2 imports, but here I don't know this. in your Go code import. Yeah, it's what I have to do actually. Could not import RCIO quote nor required module provided package. That's weird. You know what? Let's find. Maybe a version is not true. Go is 116, but yeah, published 2018. We are on the same boat, man. We are on the same boat. I mean, it's new for me too, so I like to discover this. This has been published in 2018, so okay, let's yeah, follow. Okay, the Go tool with module support automatically downloads and install dependencies, but for it to work, you must initialize your module. It's not enough to save the source in a Go file and run with Go. A Go mod file must. Okay, so we have module example. Okay, so we should define something here actually in the module, but where is it? Where is the import line that we are interested in? Valid Go mod file. Let's copy this. No. Repeated more. Okay, so this is another new thing for me. We cannot double in write module actually. So what should I do? I cannot write module, then module like, you know, Angular imports. Yeah, but actually here I have two modules, so Just want to find this actually. Let's find something interesting. Can I read this one? Can I have multiple packages inside a single GUM? Oh, okay, so I think this, since these people is answering this, it means that you cannot have actually Go mod. Go, because here we are, Go mod, okay. Okay, so this is for module Go. So actually, it's for the version, actually, this one. All right, so we should be able to create another module as well. Let's find the command. Okay, the command that I ran actually initialized the example.com hello with the module actually. Okay, so let's write this, I think. But I'm afraid it's not going to work actually, this one. Okay, even if I... Yeah, that's the command actually. We should grab the... Not write hello mod because we need the go command. Go mod init hello. Okay. I have this mod init main. Oh, actually, we should put maybe a... Okay, so we also have this. Okay, let's suppose we want to get rid of this and until here we are we should be able actually to run And then I want to found the guy who imported this. I cannot get in this kind of package API. Well, let's get rid of this. Actually, I deleted the wrong one. It's pretty strange. So we have the API.go. I think it's a problem of packages. I think we should find we should try to follow this okay, go mod. Let's separate this. Let's create source and let's create a main and API actually. And okay, in the API we have delete yellow, and in the main what did it do? I actually want to have alright, the API and main.go. In API we have in the API we have this stuff. Okay, so if you find a solution for Kindalik, just let me know. It's So package main, we agree on that. If I want to replicate this, it's a matter of packages actually. Now nothing is complaining. So fmt, I would like to import this. I don't know, guys. I do import this stuff. Go will add the quote module as requirements as well as go some file for user to indicate. Go mod tidy. What is it does that? Okay. So even if it's complaining, so the auto. Okay, so we can write the import like this. Sorry guys, but it's pretty new for me. But after we import a module, we should run go mod tidy. What? Yeah, yeah. I agree. I agree. It's insane. Run your code to see the message generated by the function you're calling. Okay, so it's as I can see, this is pretty important. The separating, I mean, scaffolding this project. What the heck? So okay, go run no go files. Yeah, of course we should API. Let's non main package. Okay, so if I position myself in source API, he doesn't like it, but what the heck is that? I don't know, man. Farkin Dalek, have you got the same result as me? Because I can't really understand this. Okay, what quote go does, because oh, okay, actually it worked. I thought it was a kind of it's a quote actually, yeah. So it's printing our okay, so let's write the OPT. If I program is too slow, it must have a loop. All right. But interesting to see that if you're not in the main package, we we have a problem. Okay. Okay, so running this command generated us go sum and also, okay, require. Okay, so it actually added, okay, it's printing for you too. Good. Okay, so we have a require actually import like this, right? Okay, I really should try to follow it because okay, what is your opinion, man? Because if we are in the API, go run, cannot run non-main package. So I think that we should use external packages just for importing a few stuff, but for running we should have a main package if I understand. When you ran go mode tidy, it located and downloaded the rsc.io code module that contains the package you imported. Version. I think Go is like C language. I completely agree with you, man. I completely agree with you. Yeah, it's like it seems like I've never did C before. Hmm. So that's the structure we have: API, go mod, go sum. Okay, so this is simply the result of our build. Yeah, it's like C actually. Go run. It doesn't want to run something that is called the API, but just main.go. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I think I should follow the doc actually. Yeah. Create the Go module. Yeah, we already did this. Okay, so yeah, it's like a pretty tough language like C or Java. Yeah, maybe I should find a way for the next. So we should have the main Go, not having. Okay, this is nice. Yeah, okay, guys. I think it's late for you. Yeah, we did a few lines of code just to learn how this language works. Thank you for being in this live, and yeah, I'll see you in the next streaming, in the next tutorial. Have a nice time. Have a great Sunday, and catch you later. Bye.